Diving into the world of vanity mirrors, today, we're exploring a piece that not only stands out in design but also brings functionality to the forefront of your makeup routine. The Impressions Vanity Supercute Hello Kitty Tabletop Desk Mirror is not just a mirror, it's a statement piece for anyone who loves a touch of cuteness mixed with high-end functionality in their personal space. Crafted with an unmistakable Hello Kitty bow outline, this mirror brings a level of elegance and playfulness to your vanity setup. It's not often you find a piece that so effortlessly combines style with practicality. The mirror's design, highlighted by its iconic shape, adds a delightful charm that's hard to overlook. Lighting plays a crucial role in makeup application, and Impressions Vanity understands this better than anyone. With its adjustable tritone LED lights, the mirror offers soft, dimmable illumination, ensuring you can find the perfect lighting condition for any time of day. A simple tap allows you to change the temperature of the light, making it easier to achieve a natural makeup look without the guesswork. Beyond its adorable aesthetics and superb lighting features, the mirror is designed with convenience in mind. The stand easily folds, making this mirror a travel-friendly option for those who like to take their makeup routine on the go. Furthermore, the hidden extendable tray and phone holder are thoughtful additions, allowing you to keep your essentials within reach and even watch makeup tutorials hands-free as you apply your makeup. Gift giving can often be a challenge, but the Impressions Vanity. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.